2018 Nissan Maxima 3.5 liter. Still got all the stock converters there and there. Then it's got a third converter there, then a resonator, mid-muffler, whatever you guys want to call it. Then what we did is put two FLOWMASTER 40 series on it. One right there and one right there. We will let you guys hear it in a minute. Hope you guys like it. We use his original tips. We'll let you guys hear it. Guys, want it louder? You gotta take the resonator off.